In today's video, we'll be discussing Western Union. Let's proceed by opening up the Western Union app. To send money online with Western Union, simply click on the Send Money button. The next step is to select the country to which you're sending money through Western Union. It's crucial to check the maximum amount you can send. Once that's done, you can choose to send the money in either US dollars or the local currency. The app will automatically calculate the conversion based on your input. Alternatively, you can specify the amount in US dollars. Depending on the chosen option, it could sometimes be more cost-effective for the recipient to pick up the cash. For this example, let's go with the cash pickup option. Next, you'll need to decide if you want to pay online or in-store. There may be a dollar fee for in-store payment. So I'll select the pay online option and use my debit card, which has a fee of $3.99. The app will also inform you of the estimated arrival time based on your payment method. With the bank account, it may take 0 to 14 business days. But using a debit card will result in an almost immediate arrival of the money. Below, you'll see the fee once again, which is $3.99, and the amount of local currency the recipient will receive, along with the expected delivery time. If everything looks good to you, click the next button at the bottom. The final step is to choose the recipient of the money you're sending online with Western Union. You have the option to select from your recent contacts. However, if this is your first time you're sending money to this person, click on Add a New Receiver. Now, to send money online with Western Union, you'll need their full name, matching the ID they will use to pick up the money. You can also provide an email address for updates and add their mobile number for receiving notifications about the online transaction. Depending on the country's requirements, you might need their ID number, which could be referred to as cedula, curb, or social security number in the States. Once you have the necessary information, proceed to choose the recipient. If you already have credit or debit card linked, you can select it, or you can add a new card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code if required. Next, you'll see a confirmation screen showing the price, total amount, and estimated delivery time. Scroll down, accept the terms, and then click the blue Send button to complete the transaction. After sending the money, you'll receive an email from Western Union, along with a confirmation screen containing a reference number. This number is essential for the recipient to pick up the money at a Western Union location, along with their identification such as driver's license or passport. Sometimes, the Western Union locations may request additional information like the sender's first and last name, city, and state to verify their identity. It's advisable to provide this data to the recipient to avoid any delays in receiving the payment.